the location line affects the wall buildup. Let's explain this visually. So I will create a visual representation of the location line. Let's assume the line on screen is the location line. Now I'll create various walls with different location lines. Now let's start with the wall center line. I'll create the first wall and watch how the wall is placed relative to the location line as I'm changing the positions of the location lines. Here's the thing. If I change the thickness of this wall, they would all react or change dimension or based on the position of the location line. So let's select the wall and change the wall buildup, make it bigger. I'll change the thickness of the structural wall to 300 just so that we can see the visible change. You can see the wall's location line remains the same, but the dimension of the wall adjusts itself based on the position of the location line. So the choice of location line may determine the overall dimension of your building during design. Now see another demonstration of how the choice of location line can affect the overall dimensioning when it comes to your design. The location line is the core face exterior. Now, if I copy those set of walls, create another instance of it, exactly the same wall, but I'll change the location line of this to the wall center line, for example. Now, notice the distance of the face of the wall to the edge of the door when I change the build-up of the wall. Now I'm going to put this back to 100. So you can see now that the overall distance between my elements are now different, even though the wall is exactly the same thickness. And that is because Revit is calculating the distance of everything relative to the location line.